Hi, I'm Taylor Ware. I'm the inventor of the Slidewire, and I'm going to show you the Slidewire in action in my home. This is a prototype unit. It is not the one that's in manufacturing. It's slightly different, the same exact internal functionality. The only difference is the USB. There's only one versus two, and it's just ever so slightly larger. Apologize in advance. It's going to be a little bit of a drawn-out video. I just want to take my time and show every single thing and explain every single thing that I'm doing as I do it. I don't want there to be any question of the realness of this or if there's any TV magic, so that's why if they seem like I'm over-explaining, that's why. Okay, so first things first, this is the Slidewire. It is a 10-foot Slidewire. This is a single slider unit. Okay, on this unit you've got the two standard 120 volt outlets, and then you've also got the USB port right there, our logo, and then this right here is the activation wheel that you can move back and forth that turns the unit off and on. Okay, first what I'm going to do is show the power coming from the wall. This is our source of power. It's a normal standard home outlet. Okay, let me show the 0 volts coming out of it right now. Okay, I'm going to stick it into the unit, or excuse me, into the wall. Okay, and then what that's going to do is show 124 volts. 124 volts coming out of this outlet. It's pretty good. All right, goes back to 0. Excuse me, goes back to 0. That's where the power is coming from. I've got some water here. What I'm going to do with the water is use the slide wire and then move it, use it again, move it again, and then I'm going to put the wire into the water to show that it's 100% sealed and 100% safe. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and plug that in. Yeah, I think that was when I tested, but just to double, triple check, I mean, it's 100% real power coming out that wall, okay? Here's the cables. All right, if you're not familiar with Slidewire, this is how it functions, okay? This activation wheel turns the unit on and off, okay? Whenever it's in the off position, that is when you're able to slide your outlet or your USB, whichever you're needing, or both, obviously, either direction, okay? Anywhere on, I mean, you can go all the way up to the actual cord plugs, I mean, literally all the way down to the very end. Anywhere on the body of the cable, now you can have power, okay? So we'll just start here in the middle because it's organized, all right? When you turn it on, you're locking the unit in place. It powers all the different pieces, but you're only able to use it in that one spot. Now, if you want to move it again, you simply turn it back to the off position, slide it somewhere else, and then reactivate it. Okay, so let's go ahead and activate it. By activating it, you just pull it to that side, you spin the wheel to that side, now the unit's on. You have an activation light right here showing that it's been powered on. Okay, let's go ahead and test it to make sure, of course, that it's working. The lamp will come on. This is just a very standard IKEA, I think is where we got this. No batteries, no trickery. Just a normal lamp, and then this is my wife's old phone, normal iPhone, I'm not sure which one, but let's put it right here. We'll go and stick it into the USB slot, pops on with charging, and then what I'll do is I'll deactivate the unit, so now we're able to slide. I've got both the phone and the lamp plugged into the unit. I can still move them, so let's say you're on the back of your couch, there's a table, and you need to move a couple different things all in one move, or all in one motion. It gives you the efficiency that you never even thought you could have. Okay, it's a super, super cool product. Let's move it to a new location, and then all you do is just turn it back to the on position, everything kicks back on. Okay, turn it off, slide to renew, turn it again to the on position, you're good to go. Turn it off, slide it again, some renew, and you just, like I said, just turn that, activates on. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's do like, it's on here, obviously, turn it off, just move it a little bit, flick it back on again. All right, off, move it a little bit more, and then we'll turn it on again. Okay, so we've now done the action, our patent pending technology action, okay, inside this unit that creates and develops and makes the contact 3 times within this spot, all right? What I'll do is I'll go ahead and slide it down now out of the way, okay? So now let's leave it powered on right there. This is the area that we were messing with it. I'm gonna go ahead and stick it into the water, totally submerge it in the water, okay? Now, I should be getting electrocuted right now, but obviously I'm not. I'm not just an amazing person that can handle 120 volts. You would be able to tell if I was being electrocuted, okay? Nothing at all, it's completely submerged no TV magic. There's nothing at the end of the cord powering that lamp. The lamp's not being powered by anything other than this wall. Let me show you. Okay, that's what's powering it. Okay, now I'll go one step further. I'll take my wet hands, dry them off a little bit, like that. Turn this to the off position. Now this is where we were, okay? This area right here. Now this is a completely submerged in water cable, super soaking wet. I mean, look, it's dripping. Like there's water kind of inside the unit right now, all right? Boom, no issues, okay? I'm not getting electrocuted, nothing's shorting out. My breaker for my house isn't tripping. This is a totally 100% innovative cable, 100% innovative unit, and yeah, hopefully it's gonna change the world. That's how it works. You can keep, water just sprayed out of it. Perfectly safe. I'm touching it where it just was plugged in. Good, safe unit. That's Slidewire, that's how it operates. I'm gonna do another video a little bit faster.